Hi everybody, I've been sent a couple of parcels by a company called PWPAM. PWPAM. Now they look really interesting. They've sent me these for free to review, and let's open the first one, which is a storage hanger for your tent. At the top, there's two different hangers, look. So the top one is the sort of shape you'd find attached to your pole in the tent. So that could hook onto your pole on your inner. We've got something to hang something there. A little mesh pocket here. And then quite a lot of small ones there. That's going to be great, I think, for the tent, just because you know I'm always scurrying about trying to find where did I put the lighter, where did I put the torch, now where's my spoke. Yeah, I could even probably just pack them in this, roll it up, pull it out, and then just ready to go, just hang them up. It's got two additional hangers there. I'm not sure what those two are for. That is a cool little thing. Not bad, not bad. I'll be using that. It's quite a strong material as well, actually. Yeah, seems pretty well made, that. I like that. In the other box here is a sort of mess tin combo with a chopping board. And I thought that looked quite interesting as well. It's not something I've seen before. So they call it a lunchbox or a mess tin, and the capacity is 0.9 of a litre. Okay, it comes in a little box like this. Camping lunchbox. Now, again, before I get this out, I'm starting to think of little ideas I can do with this, which is a good sign. So you've got a bamboo lid, which you can also use as a chopping board. Yeah, that's real bamboo. You've got the stainless steel mess kit pan, old army style. Let's see. So you squeeze the handles together to move them, and it clicks in place like that. And I also noticed this just flew out. You get a little bag with it as well, which is a nice touch. I don't think I'll be using that really. I'll use it for something else. So, seems like a good construction. I like the fact that you can, quite often what I've got to do is put something in a Tupperware box, like a little burger making kit or something, carry that to camp, and then cook it on something different. Now what I'm thinking with this, you put all your gear in there, that's now locked closed, so your food can't come out. And when you're ready to cook it in camp, open it, cook straight on there. I think that might be my lunchbox for work. That'd be great for that, actually. So far, so good. Let's try these out and see how they fare. Here's a look at our storage system. I think it works really well. We've got these side toggles. You could tie it off to the sides, but you don't really need to, as you can see. And I like the fact that all these are slightly different sizes, so you can fit something quite large in there, an even larger one behind, and your small things here. see-through pocket and a little hanger. Yeah, I mean, I can't really think of any negatives with that. It just is what it is. If you're looking for a storage system, that could be the one. So this is how it looks for your packed lunch for work. Very good for that. The other usage, I'm going to cook a little curry in here now. I don't think I'd use it with this on, because it's just wood. I'm going to keep that open. The handle stayed nice and cool, so that was good. And then you could just use this and just hold on to it and eat. I suppose you could put that in your tent if you didn't want to burn the tent as well. Yeah, pretty cool, I like that. Right, hope you enjoyed the little review of those two items. Links are in the description below. And I'm just off to do some cooking now, so where did I put my lighter? There it is.